Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start with two essentials: an active Xbox Game Pass Ultimate and the same Microsoft account for EA Play. Sign into Xbox on console or the Xbox app on PC. Once signed in, update the console or Windows to the latest system version so integration works. Make sure Game Pass Ultimate shows active in your subscriptions. This unlocks EA Play. After that, go to the Store tab, search for an EA Play title to trigger linking. This begins the connection process immediately. Next, launch an EA Play game from your Game Pass library. That prompt is the key. When the EA sign-in screen appears, sign into your existing EA account or create one quickly. Use the same email for clarity. Grant permissions when asked. This authorizes Microsoft to share subscription status with EA. Once accepted, EA Play should show as active inside your EA account and the game will unlock. If you use PC, make sure the Xbox app and EA app permissions are both allowed so achievements and cloud saves sync properly. To finish, open the EA app or account settings and confirm EA Play shows as included. This verifies access. Once confirmed, install or update the EA title and launch it. Make sure cloud saves and DLC appear. If the game still locks, reboot the console or PC, then relaunch the title. This clears cached entitlement issues. If problems persist, check that your Microsoft account email matches the EA account, verify region eligibility, and confirm your Game Pass Ultimate payment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.